Trigger nodes in flows are used to start your workflow. You can begin a pipeline when an entity is created, updated, or deleted. You can also trigger workflows when a webhook receives data or when a file is uploaded to a folder. The entity created trigger starts a workflow when a new entity is added to the platform. You'll define the packet name, optional, give it a description, and point to the entity path that should be monitored. This is useful when you want your pipeline to begin as soon as new data is available in your system. The entity updated trigger launches a workflow when an existing entity is modified. It uses the same packet structure as the entity created trigger, including packet name, description, and entity path. Use this when updates to existing data should automatically trigger processing, validation, or alerts. This trigger fires when an entity is deleted from the platform. You can use it to trigger cleanup operations, audits, or notify other systems when critical data is removed. Like other entity-based triggers, you'll define the entity path and packet metadata. Fork started is a special trigger that activates when another pipeline initiates a fork into this pipeline. It's useful when you want to build modular workflows and pass tasks between pipelines seamlessly. This trigger activates when a selected pipeline completes its execution. It's ideal for chaining pipelines, where the end of one process automatically starts the next. This trigger watches a specific folder for new files. When a file is added to the folder, the trigger starts a workflow. You'll specify the folder path and the associated entity path to monitor. This is especially useful for media processing, document ingestion, or file-based workflows. Webhook received starts a pipeline when a post request is sent to a specific URL. You can use this to receive events from third-party platforms, CRMs, or internal systems. Just configure the webhook URL and handle the incoming data in your pipeline. The manual trigger is great for testing or simulating workflows. It lets you start a pipeline manually with custom input and metadata. You can define the packet name, description, and input values. This is a handy tool for development, debugging, or running ad hoc processes. Triggers are the entry points of your pipelines. Whether you're responding to events in your system or integrating with external sources, choosing the right trigger helps your workflow begin in the right context. Try them out and build powerful, event-driven workflows in Flows.